Hey family, thank you so much for stopping by. Today I will be making sausage, peppers, and onions. And the great thing about this recipe is that you can eat it as a sandwich or lay it over a bed of rice or penne pasta, and it's a whole meal. My secret recipe is coming up. Stay tuned. All right, family, this recipe calls for, of course, some Italian sausage, and I got hot Italian sausage because I like a little kick, a red and a green bell pepper, garlic, a red onion, and I also got a yellow onion. You know, I just want a little color variation going on there. Some white wine, and I'm using Pinot Grigio, but I imagine you can use whatever white wine you prefer or you got around the house. Unsalted butter, oregano and basil, and a little olive oil. Let's get it started. Here are our beautiful veggies, guys. I have the bell peppers and the red green bell peppers, julienne style, our red onions, yellow onions, and our garlic cloves. And we're ready to saute this up. So fam, we're ready to saute the Italian sausage. I have a saucepan here. Make sure you use a non-stick frying pan, you know. I have it on medium heat, and I'm going to add a little olive oil, like so. And then add the sausage in. And we just want to brown these on both sides. So a few minutes each side. And then we'll add the veggies. So these are starting to brown. Let's turn these over. It's been about 5 minutes. And we'll give them another 5. All right, family. We're ready to get into the vegetables. The first thing we'll do is we're going to add 2 tablespoons of butter. And this is more so for flavor. We already got olive oil in here, but I'm going to add just a little butter. I'm going to turn my heat down. And we'll add our veggies. So, add our onions here. Peppers. And then our garlic cloves, so get that in there. And we'll saute this for a few minutes. So we're going to slice these now, and guys, make sure you let these rest for about 5 to 10 minutes before you slice them, just because you don't want all of the, you know, the juices to run out. I'm going to leave my slices kind of big because I like big hunks of sausage. Our sausage, peppers, and onions is starting to soften up now, so we can go ahead and add our seasonings and our sausage and the wine, and we'll cover it and we'll let it simmer for about 15 minutes. So it's been like 10 or 15 minutes, and guys, this is the finished product. So guys, I added my penne pasta with some traditional, you can either use marinara or spaghetti sauce, but I mean, look at that. Don't need much, you know, just enough to wet it up, so to speak, but this really gives it a good flavor. Yeah. Family, I hope you guys absolutely love the sausage, peppers, and onions recipe. I'm gonna let y'all check it out one last time, you know. Yeah, you gotta dab for that. Again, thank you so much for stopping by. Don't be shy, give your girl a like on this video and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Make sure you stop by next Tuesday. Have a blessed one. Peace.